So, Christmas is around the corner and it's the perfect time to enjoy some snow. And it looks like my website is in the Christmas mode too. This looks pretty cool, right? This beautiful snow effect you're seeing is super simple to add. And I'll show you how to do it to your WordPress site using Elementor. All it takes is a tiny bit of code. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert. If you can copy and paste, you can do this too. Here's the best part. You'll have this up and running in 3 quick steps. We'll drop in the code, customize how your snowfall looks, and hit publish. That's it. No complicated plugins, no performance hits, just pure winter wonderland vibes for your visitors. So grab that delicious hot chocolate quickly because it's going to get chilly. Okay, so this is my site and I want to add the snowfall effect on this page. So let's drag an HTML widget and add it here. Now go to the description, copy the code, come back and paste it here. And that's it. Click on publish. And as you can see, the snowfall effect is visible on your site. Now, there's a bunch of things that you can edit in the code to customize the effect. But before that, whenever I'm doing some design work for clients, I make sure to install this free plugin Airlift because, okay, let me actually show you this. So that's my site speed before and that's after. It does a lot of optimizations automatically and keeps stuff fast. So you should definitely try this and I'll leave the link in the description below. Alright, let's get back to our Elementor panel and see how we can customize this code. So you can change the width and height of the entire canvas for the snowfall effect. Right now it's set to 100 VW and 100 VH, which means it will cover the entire screen. You can also set the canvas to window or change it to show on a specific section. This line has the symbols for the snowfall effect. So you can Google and add different symbols here. I'll just leave it at this. And from here, you can customize the total number of snowflake. Right now, it's set to 140, but you can change it to 200 like this. Once done, publish it. And as you can see, the number of snowflakes have increased by a lot. Finally, you can change the speed of the snowball effect. To make it faster, I'll change this from 0.5 to 0.1. Let's preview the page. And yeah, the snowfall effect is faster now. And there you have it. A sprinkle of code is all it took to bring the magic of winter to your website. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Click this video if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. You're really gonna thank me for this. So click here and I'll see you there.